Welcome to the Airdrie Public Library. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting hands-on STEAM learning tools we have, the Turing Tumble steam engine. Our Turing Tumble steam engine is equipped for up to 30 participants, anywhere from ages 8 and up. Whether you're a beginner interested in code and computers or an experienced maker, this is perfect for all skill levels. Follow along with the rest of our video to become a Turing Tumble engineer. This isn't just a game. This is a logic computer powered by gravity. No screens, no electricity, just pure computer-powered logic. Turing Tumble uses marbles, ramps, switches, and other assorted gravity-powered fake electronics to simulate how computers work. They create logic gates, algorithms, even full programming math software, all with just the power of gravity. This here is our speed loader. Worried about the kids throwing the marbles everywhere? Worry no more. This here picks up marbles easily and deposits them into the marble chute. All the instructions you need to complete the activities in the Turing Tumble kit can be found in our handy puzzle book. As you can see, the STEAM kit is very large, so we recommend bringing a friend and a large vehicle to help you transport it. And that's it. You are now a Turing Tumble engineer. Come by the Airdrie Public Library to pick up the STEAM engine personally with your library card, or you can reserve it online. Remember, let us be your start, your opportunity, your APL.